It was one of those quiet winter mornings when the world feels wrapped in white silence. I remember pressing my nose against the frosty window, watching delicate snowflakes drift from the sky. Each one seemed like a tiny piece of art, intricate and fleeting. I wondered, why are snowflakes unique? Couldn't nature just stamp them out like cookies from the same cutter? The thought made me pause. My breath fogged up the glass, and I wiped it away, eager to watch them fall again. They looked similar from far away, yet close up, no two ever matched. That mystery tugged at my curiosity. What secret code of frozen geometry gave each flake its own identity? I started reading, asking teachers, even flipping through library books filled with magnified images of snowflakes. I saw perfect six-pointed stars, branching arms like crystal trees, and patterns so delicate they almost looked drawn by hand. The deeper I searched, the more my wonder grew. There had to be an explanation, something hidden in the air itself. The discovery was astonishing. Each snowflake forms when water vapor freezes onto a speck of dust high in the atmosphere. As the crystal falls, temperature and humidity shift at every layer of air it passes through. Those tiny changes decide how branches form, whether thin and feathery or thick and solid. It's like baking cookies in an oven where the heat keeps changing. Every tray comes out different. Or like tuning a guitar string where even the slightest adjustment changes the sound. Snowflakes are nature's improvisation, shaped by the atmosphere's constant mood swings. Before, I thought snow was just decoration falling from the sky. After learning this, I realized each flake is a frozen biography of the air it traveled through. Millions fall together, yet each tells its own story. That changed how I see winter, no longer bland repetition, but a symphony of difference. When I scoop snow in my hand now, I imagine the journey each tiny crystal took just to land there. And maybe that's the lesson. Uniqueness isn't rare, it's inevitable. Just as snowflakes can't help but be different, neither can we. Every path, every choice, every condition shapes us into something unrepeatable. It made me feel lighter, like maybe my quirks and detours aren't mistakes. They're my own frozen geometry, the record of how I've moved through life. If this discovery surprised you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Check the description and pinned comment for links to similar curious science questions.